Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.1235 a coin. The present exchange cost range is $0.1226 to $0.1242. The earlier day close is $0.1234. The change was plus 0.01 plus 0.8%. Backwards rate, ICE to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for October 2024. At the outset costed 12.5 coins. Excessive cost 12.5, while low 10.0. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.528. The ICE to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 11.111. Change for October 11.1%. ICE to Doge expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 11.111 coins. Excessive cost 14.286, while low 11.111. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.252. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 12.5 change for November 12th. 5%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 12.5 coins. Exorbitant cost 12.5, while low 10.0. Found the middle value of cost 11.528. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 11.111. Change for December 11.1%. ICE to Doge expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 11.111 coins. Exorbitant cost 11.111, while low 9.091. They found the middle value of cost 10.328. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 10.000. Change for January 10.0%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at 10.000 coins. Exorbitant cost 11.111, while low 9.091. They found the middle value of cost 10.051. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 10.000. Change for February's in 0.0%. ICE to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 10.000 coins. Exorbitant cost 10.0, while low 8.333. They found the middle value of cost 9.356. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 9.091. Change for spring 9.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 9.091 coins. Excessive cost 9.091, while low 7.143. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.254. The ICE to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 7.692. Change for April 15.4%. ICE to Doge expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 7.692 coins. Exorbitant cost 7.692, while low 6.667. They found the middle value of cost 7.299. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7.143. Change for May 7.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 7.143 coins. Excessive cost 7.692, while low 6.667. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.161. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 7.143. Change for June 0.0%. ICE to Doge expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at 7.143 coins. Excessive cost 7.143, while low 6.250. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.801. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 6.667. Change for July 6.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2025. Before all else cost at 6.667 coins. Excessive cost 6.667, while low 5.556. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.193. The ICE to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 5.882. Change for August 11.8%. ICE to Doge expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 5.882 coins. Excessive cost 6.250, while low 5.556. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.893. The ICE to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 5.882. Change for September's in 0.0%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 5.882 coins. excessive cost 6.250, while low 5.556. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.893. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 5.882, change for October's and 0.0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 5.882 coins. Excessive cost 5.882, while low 5.263. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.646. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 5.556, change for November 5.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 5.556 coins. Exorbitant cost 6.250, while low 5.556. They found the middle value of cost 5.811. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5.882, change for December 5th, 9%. US to Doge expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 5.882 coins. Exorbitant cost 7.692, while low 5.882. They found the middle value of cost 6.650. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 7.143, change for January 21st, 4%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for February 2026. To start with cost at 7.143 coins. Exorbitant cost 7.143, while low 5.882. They found the middle value of cost 6.605. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 6.250, change for February 12.5%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 6.250 coins. Exorbitant cost 8.333, while low 6.250. They found the middle value of cost 7.131. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7.692, change for spring 23.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 7.692 coins. Excessive cost 10.000, while low 7.692. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.619. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 9.091, change for April 18th, 2%. US to Doge expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 9.091 coins. Exorbitant cost 9.091, while low 7.143. They found the middle value of cost 8.254. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7.692, change for May 15.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for June 2026. To start with cost at 7.692 coins.